Keeping an eye on some showers and storms out there this morning. They aren't severe, but some folks got a pretty good soaking overnight, especially down across I-75. Some of our southern counties that haven't seen a whole lot so far. So right now, Maysville running out towards Ashland. You've got a couple of pops of some showers around Mount Sterling. May have a rumble of thunder there. A couple of spotty showers out towards Prestonsburg and Pikeville. And then a big expanse of, well, very little happening right now in our southwestern counties. But if we put the 24-hour rainfall totals, these are estimates up, radar estimates. It's the radar looking at the intensity of the precipitation and deciding how much has come down. This pretty much syncs up with some of the totals I've seen via the Kentucky Mesonet, some of the ground confirmation of over 1-inch totals. And we're showing these bands pretty much follow the tracks of these showers and storms. So you go from hardly anything in and around Lexington to over ½ an inch south of Nicholasville there into northern parts of Garrett County. Pretty good pop down towards Richmond, western Madison County. Another round going through northern Pulaski County. So some folks got wet overnight, and we've got more rain on the way. Future track, or the max track, I should say, shows this round lifting northeast and then additional showers, thunder showers out towards Paducah. All this part of a front that's settling in. The severe threat for today shifts east toward the mid-Atlantic states, Virginia Beach, Richmond, down into parts of North Carolina. And we've got this slow-moving front, which means with moisture streaming in, we're going to see quite a bit in the way of heavy rainfall potential. We're kind of bookended by the heaviest rain threat as far as flooding goes. I think we'll see the possibility of some localized flooding. We get some of these storms fired up later on. But as the front sags south, it's gradually going to take that rain chance with it pretty rapidly by later on this evening. So we've got this next round coming in. That'll track east through here, and then probably by mid to late evening, we start to dry things out, and then we dry out rapidly overnight as much drier, more comfortable air filters in. There, I did it again. Can you believe this? I got to get used to this button. Stay with me, because I have more to show you, and I've still got time, so I'm going to have to walk over here to the weather computer to adjust what I wanted to talk about, because in addition to the heavy rain threat, we also have the possibility of that spectacular Saturday, and I can't let that go by without talking about it. So here is a good indicator of what we're in for, and this shows the mugginess over the next 6 days. What you're looking at is a plot of the dew point, and when you're in the 60s and 70s for the dew point temperature, that is some muggy air. But look what happened Saturday. This is that drier air that's filtering in, so we're going to see a dew point dip, and this means right here as it bottoms out in the 50s Saturday, very comfortable air, lower humidity, feeling good. And then you see the corresponding rise into early next week as shower and storm chances start to fire back up again. So we'll have a brief taste of fall tomorrow. Low 70s in Lexington. It's 68 in Danville. Now that's the taste of fall in concert with, of course, highs only around the low 80s, so below average highs as well. The dew point right now, though, is in the upper 60s to low 70s, so it's still pretty muggy out there. And forecast highs for today, upper 70s to low 80s. Now, back to that 8-day forecast, and you can see that we've got that shower and storm chance on the rise again early next week. So active weather to start the weekend, active weather to wrap up the weekend. Saturday still holding is the pick day of the weekend.